Hello everyone, so this is the summary of the poem A Wife in London by Thomas Hardy. So these are the important points. This is an anti-war poem written after the Boer War started in 1899 between British Empire and two independent states of Boer, the South African Republic and Orange Free State. The poem is about a woman who receives two letters, one informing her of her husband's death in the war in South Africa and the other from her husband who is now dead. In this poem, the speaker denounces wars as unnecessary, as these wars result in the untimely deaths of young soldiers who leave behind their loved ones mourning for them. So this is the text of the poem. December 1899. She sits in the tawny vapor that the Thames side lanes have uprolled, behind whose webby fold on fold like a waning taper, the street lamp glimmers cold. A messenger's knock racks smartly, flashed news in her hand, of meaning it dazes to understand. Though shaped so shortly, he has fallen in the far south land. So when the poem opens, the speaker describes a wife sitting at home witnessing a dull fog on the streets of London. The fog looks like a spider's web. It is so dense that even the street lamps look dim. Then this wife hears a knock on the door. She receives a message from a messenger that her husband has died at war in South Africa. So this is a shocking and tragic news for this lady. 'Tis the morrow, the fog hangs thicker, the postman nears and goes. A letter is brought whose lines disclose by the firelight flicker his hand whom the worm now knows. Fresh, firm, penned in highest feather, page full of his hoped written, and of home planned jaunts of break and burn in the summer weather, and of new love that they would learn. So, in these lines, we get to know that the next day, when the fog is more thick, then a postman delivers a letter to this lady. This lady identifies the writing of her husband, who is now dead, and she reads the letter. She can notice with what excitement and enthusiasm this letter was written by her husband when he was alive. So, in this letter, her husband has written about their future plans when he gets back from the war. He has also expressed his wish to walk with her near the country streams in the summer. He also mentions that their love will grow stronger once he gets back. And here the poem ends.